Hey everyone, welcome back to Think in English podcast. I'm Leo.
And I'm Lena. Good to be back.
How was your morning, Lena?
Really nice, actually. Slow start. Made coffee, took my time. You?
Busy. Had an early meeting, but all good now.
Sounds like us every week.
Every week. Okay, today, 100 short questions and answers about your day. Simple, real English. The kind of things real friends say to each other.
I'll answer like a real person, not always perfectly.
That's the whole point. Let's go. What time did you wake up today?
I wake up at 7.
Past tense. I woke up at 7.
I woke up at 7.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept really well.
Was it easy to get up?
Not really. I hit snooze twice.
Warmly. I hit snooze. Perfect. Very natural. What was the first thing you did?
I checked my phone.
Did you make breakfast?
Yes, I made some toast.
Did you have coffee?
Yes, always. I need it.
How long did your morning take?
About 30 minutes.
Needs the S. About 30 minutes.
About 30 minutes.
Were you on time today?
Just about. Nearly late.
How did you get to work?
I take the bus.
Past. I took the bus.
I took the bus.
Was it crowded?
Yes, very crowded.
Did you listen to anything on the way?
Yes, a podcast actually.
Did you feel tired this morning?
A little, not too bad.
What was the weather like?
Cloudy, a bit cold.
Did you check your phone first thing?
Yes, bad habit.
Did you talk to anyone before leaving?
No, I live alone.
Did you forget anything?
Yes, my umbrella.
Was your morning smooth?
More or less. Pretty normal.
Did you feel stressed?
A little. It passed quickly.
Did you have any plans for today?
Just work, nothing special.
Was it a good start to your day?
Yes, I think so.
How was your day at work?
Good. Very busy.
Were you busy all day?
Yes, I didn't stop.
Did you have any meetings?
Yes, I have 2 meetings.
Past. I had 2 meetings.
I had 2 meetings.
Did you finish everything you needed to?
Most of it, not all.
Did you eat lunch?
Yes, at my desk.
What did you have?
A sandwich and some fruit.
Did you eat alone?
Yes, today I did.
Did you take a break?
A short one, about 15 minutes.
About 15 minutes.
About 15 minutes.
What did you do on your break?
I went for a quick walk.
Did anything unexpected happen?
Yes, my computer stopped working.
My computer stopped working.
My computer stopped working.
How did you fix it?
I asked someone from IT. They helped fast.
Was your manager in a good mood?
Yes, she was very nice today.
Did you learn anything new?
A little, some new software.
Was it a long day?
It felt long, but only 7 hours.
It felt long.
It felt long.
Did you talk to your coworkers?
Yes, we talked at lunch.
Did you feel stressed?
A little. The computer thing was annoying.
Did you make any mistakes today?
Probably. Nothing serious.
Did you finish on time?
Yes, I left at 5 exactly.
What was the hardest part?
The morning meeting. Very long.
What was the best part?
Finishing on time. That felt good.
What did you do after work?
I went straight home.
Did you stop anywhere?
Yes, the supermarket.
Did you buy much?
Just a few things, dinner stuff.
Did you see anyone this afternoon?
No, just people on the street.
Did you feel tired after work?
Very tired. I sat down right away.
Did you rest?
Yes, about 20 minutes on the sofa.
Did that help?
Yes, much better after.
What did you eat as a snack?
Some fruit and a little chocolate.
Did you use your phone a lot?
Too much. I always do.
Did you call anyone?
Yes, I called my mom.
How was that?
Really nice. We talked for an hour.
Did you message any friends?
Yes, a few quick messages.
Did you go outside again?
No, I stayed home all afternoon.
Did the weather get better?
Yes, actually, the sun came out later.
Did anything good happen?
My mom's call. That was the best part.
Did you relax properly?
Kind of. My brain was still a little busy.
Did you watch anything?
Not yet. Saving that for the evening.
Did you have any plans?
No, just went with the flow.
How did your afternoon feel compared to the morning?
Much slower. In a good way.
Did you feel more like yourself by the afternoon?
Yes, much more relaxed.
What did you do this evening?
I cooked dinner and watched TV.
I cooked dinner.
I cooked dinner and watched TV.
What did you make?
Pasta. Simple and quick.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, it was really good actually.
Did you eat alone?
Yes, just me tonight.
What did you watch?
A drama I like. Very good one.
How many episodes?
I watched 2 episodes.
I watched 2 episodes.
I watched 2 episodes.
Did you study English tonight?
A little before the show.
Did you do any housework?
Yes, I washed the dishes.
I washed the dishes.
I washed the dishes.
Did you go out at all?
No, quiet evening at home.
Did you meet any friends?
No, not tonight.
Did you read anything?
A few pages before sleep.
Did you have dessert?
Yes, ice cream. Don't judge me.
Never. Did you call your family?
I already called my mom this afternoon.
Did you spend time on social media?
Too much, as always.
Did anything make you smile today?
My mom, she is always funny.
She's always funny.
She's always funny.
Did anything bother you?
The computer problem, but it's fixed now.
Did you feel relaxed in the evening?
Yes, the evening is my time.
Did you feel today was productive?
Yes, I am surprised.
I was surprised.
I was surprised.
What time did you have dinner?
Around 7, maybe 7:30.
Did you do anything creative tonight?
I drew a little, just for fun.
Are you tired now?
Yes, ready for bed.
Was today a good day overall?
Yes, not perfect, but good.
What was the best moment?
The call with my mom, definitely.
What would you change?
The computer problem, that wasted time.
Did you drink enough water?
Probably not. I never do.
Did you move your body today?
The walk at lunch, that counts.
Did you do something kind today?
I helped a colleague, something small.
Did anyone do something nice for you?
The IT person fixed my computer quickly.
What made you happy today?
Coming home, and the pasta.
Did you laugh today?
Yes, my mom said something very funny.
Did you eat well overall?
Pretty well. The chocolate, maybe not.
Did you feel comfortable in English today?
Getting there. I think so.
What is one thing you learned today?
Past tense. I always forget past tense.
That's exactly right. Good answer. Did you feel confident today?
More than yesterday. That's enough.
What time will you go to bed?
Soon. Maybe 10:30.
Are you ready for tomorrow?
Not yet, but I will be.
What do you want to do differently tomorrow?
Wake up earlier. Be more calm.
Did today go the way you expected?
Not exactly. Better in some ways.
Are you happy with your day?
Yes, I really am.
Last one. Someone asks, how was your day? What do you say?
Pretty good. Busy, but good. How about you?
Perfect. That's exactly how a native speaker answers that. And that's 100 questions about your day. Every single one simple, real, and useful.
The best part? You can use all of these tomorrow with a friend, a coworker, anyone.
Pick 5 questions. Ask someone today, or answer them yourself out loud.
Tell us in the comments, how was your day today? Just a few words in English.
We read every comment. I'm Leo,
And I'm Lena.
and this is Think in English podcast. Have a great day, and see you next episode.